Are you tired of digging through cluttered toolboxes or getting stuck without the right equipment during car emergencies? Today, we're diving into the top 7 must-have car repair tools that are guaranteed to upgrade your garage, save time, and make every car job way smoother. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 7. 132 Pieces Toolkit. This multifunctional auto repair tool set is a must-have for every garage. With 132, 146, or even 150 pieces available, it's made for everything from quick fixes to full-blown repairs. Crafted from hardened chrome vanadium steel, it's built to last and withstand heavy use. The full chrome plating and mirror polishing give it excellent corrosion resistance. Thanks to its humanized rubber grip and quick-release ratchet, it feels ergonomic and easy to handle. This kit is widely applicable for repairing car door locks, seat nuts, tires, air conditioners, and even bicycle components. Neatly packed in a durable case, it's super portable and easy to store, making it perfect for both professionals and at-home car lovers. Number 6. Car Jump Starter. This isn't just a power bank, it's your emergency rescue partner on the road. The 2008 Car Jump Starter is a powerful device with an 18,000 mAh battery capacity. Strong enough to jumpstart gas engines up to 6.0 liters and diesel engines up to 5.0 liters. It features a dual USB output for charging devices, a fast 5V/2A Type-C input, and smart protection against short circuits, overcharging, and discharging. Designed to perform in temperatures from -20°C to 60°C, it's compact, lightweight, and always ready to go. Keep this handy and you'll never be stranded again. Number 5. Backseat Organizer. Say goodbye to messy car interiors with the C-Metal Backseat Storage Bag. Designed with 6 separate pockets and a foldable tray table, this seat back organizer is your mobile office and snack station. Made from high-end PU leather, it's waterproof, odor-free, and wear-resistant. It fits 99% of car models and installs without tools. Whether you're a parent, traveler, or someone who spends a lot of time on the road, this organizer keeps everything, tissues, gadgets, snacks, perfectly within reach and off the floor. Number 4. Socket Wrench Head. The Wolfan Universal Socket Wrench is a simple yet incredibly smart tool. With its adjustable 10 to 19 mm socket and a power drill adapter, this multifunctional wrench can grip almost any shape, nuts, bolts, hooks, and more. Crafted from durable alloy, it's an essential hand tool for anyone who works on cars, bikes, or home improvement projects. Whether you're tightening or loosening odd-shaped fasteners, this tool makes the job fast and effortless. Plus, it fits right on your electric drill. Talk about convenience. Number 3. Tool Organizer Rack. If your workshop or garage looks like a mess, this wall-mounted power tool organizer is the solution. Built from hard iron wire, it holds everything from wrenches and drills to hammers and screwdrivers. The strong load-bearing structure means your tools stay secure, and installation is a breeze with the included screws. Perfect for garages, workshops, and sheds, this rack turns chaos into clean, giving every tool its own place so you can work faster and smarter. Number 2. Electric Welding Machine. Meet serious power in a portable package? The 4600W electric welding machine is a beast. Designed for carbon steel and stainless steel, it offers digital anti-stick technology, instant arc starts, and full adjustability for current and thrust. It runs on both 110 volts and 220 volts, making it super versatile. Despite its powerful output, it's lightweight at just 1.8 kilograms and compact enough for mobile jobs. Whether you're working at heights or in tight spaces, this welder performs with efficiency, safety, and long-lasting durability. Number 1. Drill Dust Collector. Drilling can be messy, but the drill dust cover puts an end to that. Made from tough ABS or premium silicone, depending on the model, this dust bowl keeps your workspace clean and your lungs safe. It locks tightly to prevent dust from escaping and features a smart bearing design that increases tool life and keeps drilling precise. Ideal for both ceiling and wall work, it fits most electric hammers and drills, making it an essential accessory for cleaner, safer, and more efficient projects. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.